Welcome back, everyone. Let's learn a little more about stars and the solar system. Here we have constellation. What is a constellation? A group of stars that has a recognizable shape is called constellation. You must have observed in the sky, if you notice carefully, some of the stars they appear to make certain shapes, and such group of stars which make a recognizable shape are called as constellation. Earth rotates on its axis. This makes most constellations appear to rise in the east and set in the west during the night. Major constellations are Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, and Cassiopeia. Let's learn more about each one of these. The first constellation is Ursa Major. The Ursa Major constellation consists of seven bright stars arranged in a pattern resembling like a big bear. So it is known as a big bear or great bear. As you can see here, the shape, all the seven stars, how they are arranged like a bear. The Ursa Major constellation is visible during the summer season. The Ursa Major is also shaped like a ladle and is called as the Big Dipper. It consists of seven stars placed in the form of a dipper. In India, it is popularly called the Saptarishi because it is consisting of seven bright stars. Just like Ursa Major, we have another constellation known as Ursa Minor. Ursa Minor, also known as Little Bear, it is a constellation in the northern sky. Like the Great Bear, the tail of the bear look like the handle of a ladle. The brightest stars form a shape that is also known as Little Dipper. It contains the North Celestial Pole and polar star Polaris. It was one of the 48 constellations. Then we have Cassiopeia constellation, which is thought represent queen seated on chair. Cassiopeia is another prominent constellation in the northern sky. It is visible during winter in the early part of night. It looks like a distorted W or M. Cassiopeia constellation consists of five main stars. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are five bright stars. Another popular constellation is Orion, which is shaped in the form of hunter. You can see here the image. It's looking like a hunter. And here, this part representing the belt of the hunter. Here there are three middle stars in the Orion which lead to brighter star in the sky called Sirius. The Orion constellation is visible to us in the sky during winter season. So this is all about constellations. Besides constellations, there are many more celestial bodies like meteors, meteorites, asteroids, the satellites. We will learn more about them in the next video.